Hello, learners. This section is for those of you who are experienced programmers. Perhaps you have maybe 2 years, 1 to 2 years of programming experience, preferably with a JavaScript programming language. I say JavaScript because it's one of the more popular programming languages out there, and it also transitions to Python pretty well. If we are trying to learn the Python programming language, I don't believe we need to learn it from scratch. We just need to go over the important differences between it and other languages. We can do a side-by-side comparison. So I'll have JavaScript over here on the left and Python over here on the right, because when it comes down to it, programming languages all have the same stuff and do the same things. We just need to get used to the different syntaxes. And I'm using JavaScript, but this would be relevant to any C-based language, such as C#, Java, or C++. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up a replit with JavaScript on the left, Python on the right, and we're going to have the place where we can type the code. The output will be right here. So let's go through some of the things that we can compare from JavaScript to Python. I'm going to glance over the things that are pretty much the same and just focus on the specific topics or specific syntaxes that are different. So let's start off with one thing, the output. How do we output things to the screen in JavaScript? Well, that is console.log, and then we send in our message. In Python, that is going to be the print command. Okay, so now this is our first comparison. Instead of console log, we're going to use the print command. Okay, and with JavaScript, when we want to terminate or end statements, we can use a semicolon or not. It's optional. But in Python, there are no semicolons. A new line is what terminates a statement. Okay, so this is our first comparison of JavaScript code resulting in this output, and then the equivalent Python code resulting in this output. And I demonstrated this because we usually use console.log to output our information so we can see what is happening, and we'll be using the print command to do that in Python.